Hello, my name is Nicholas Silva and welcome back to another video for the Pompano Beach High School Computer Science Club. And in today's video we are going to be talking about enums, or enumerated, which is basically a predefined value. And I'm going to be talking about enums and how they compare to arrays and how you would want to use them separately. So to help us out with today's example, I've made the enum class and we're going to be writing everything in here. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by writing actually an array here. So string, I'm going to do close brackets, and then we'll call it menu. Let's make a menu today. String menu equals, and then we'll put all of our values in here. Let's put, what can we put in here? Nope. Let's put in burger, fries, and then drink. Let's go ahead and do that. And the reason this is like this is because, well, let's just put static in front of it so that we can access this without having to create an object and access it from that object. So I'm going to go ahead and system.outprint menu. And let's print out the separate indexes. So 0, we get this, 0, 1, 2, and we see we have an error here, so let's go ahead and check this. Drink. Oh, okay. Forgot to put the drink in our little string here. So I'm going to go ahead and print this, and if I print this, we see that we can get burger, fries, and drink all in order that we put it. And now I'm going to write an enum and show the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this and this. And the enum, we're going to write it up here because it's a different class. So it's its own class. So enum menu, we're going to call it menu, and then we're going to put everything in here. And we don't have to put any quotation marks for, like, you know, when you do a string or anything like that. You don't have to do that. And then drink. And the reason it's enum is because it's a predetermined value. So basically what you're going to want to put in an enum or enumerated, you basically just going to want to put things that are not going to change. Like, say, a menu, it's really not going to change unless you manually change it. So that's why you would want to use that over an array. And also, you don't have to go in and with an array, you have to print out the index, and you have to put if statements to see which one you're going to print out. And with the enumerated, you don't have to do that. So let me just show an example. So I'm going to make an object for that. Menu A equals menu dot, let's print out fries. Fries. Let's close that. And then I can go ahead and simply do system.outprint A, and then if we run that, we see that we get fries. And basically you're going to want to, like I said, you're going to want to do the enum, so you don't have to do that array that I showed before, and then you're going to print out all the indexes. You don't have to do that, and the enum just looks a lot better. It's a lot easier to access. It's a lot better looking than making the entire I have to make different objects for this. Now, B. See, this is just to print out everything. Burger and drink. B. And if you see it, print that out. Prints out everything I wanted to print out without having to make a string and then doing the index. Like, if I had to do the index, it would be something like, just write a note here, something like I had to system.outprint something like menu 0, and this way it's just a lot easier by making the object, and you don't have to make an array, which is just a lot better looking, and it's just easier to use overall. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that in the comments section down below. And that's going to be it for today. Have a good one.